Comrade Prakash Karat told that the central government is going to implement earlier bill in another way against farmers.
Yeah.
Farmers law. Can you explain, sir?
Yeah, see, you see, what has happened is that the BJP-led central government was forced to surrender before the historic agitation of farmers in 2020-21. They had to repeal the 3 farm laws. Now what they have done is that very recently they have brought out what is called as the Agricultural Marketing Framework. That is a draft. And in that draft, what they have done is that many of the provisions of the 3 farm laws, pro-corporate, anti-farmer, they have tried to push through the back door without bringing a law. Because law, they know again there will be a big problem. So they have done this draft agricultural marketing thing so that some of the same things are achieved, but through the back door people will not realize. But this will not succeed. Already the All India Kisan Sabha, the Sayukta Kisan Morcha, which led that historic struggle, we have taken up arms against this agricultural marketing draft, and we have already started big agitations all over the country. So there were very big mobilizations all over India last month. Big Mahapanchayats were held in Haryana, in Punjab, other places, UP, etc. They are going to be held. And therefore, we are warning the central government of the BJP that all these attempts, conspiracies, they will not succeed. Farmers will once again defeat this conspiracy like they had succeeded in making the government repeal the farm laws.
The government is suppressing the farmers' agitation, and farmers are continuing it. How long you can go against the government?
Yeah, we will definitely go on until the demands are won. See, this agricultural marketing draft is one point. What is the basic point? Basic point for which we are fighting all over India is for the MSP at C2 plus 50% means 1.5 times the comprehensive cost of production. That every farmer for every crop must get this amount. This was the recommendation of the National Commission on Farmers headed by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Recommendation was made in 2006. Today it is 2025. 19 years have passed. But the BJP government, in spite of promising this in its manifesto in 2014, last 11 years they have not implemented. So this MSP is very important. Along with this, we are demanding complete one-time loan waiver for poor and middle farmers and for agricultural workers. That we are demanding, and that is because both these problems, loan waiver by the central government. Central government has to give a loan waiver. It had given earlier, VP Singh had given, earlier governments had given. So therefore, this loan waiver, nothing has happened. This government actually gives and writes of loans to the corporates worth 15 lakh crore rupees in the last 10 years. Modi government has written off loans worth 15 lakh crore rupees to the corporate, handful of corporates. They don't have one single naya paisa to give a loan waiver to the farmers, out of whom 1,474 farmers have committed suicide during the Modi government years. More than 1,474. So that is our main point. So these are some of the main demands: crop insurance, pension, all these are there. And then of course the whole question of land reforms. That of course is a very fundamental question for which we are all fighting.
Thank you.